So as part of EBCAP's commitment to educate the community, I'm here today with Esther Trneny. She's going to talk a little bit about the value of masks and why we should all be wearing them. Esther?
Good morning, Norma. Thank you very much for being here. I wanted to talk to people a little bit about the different types of masks that you may hear about, and we'll start at the top. I firstly want to introduce you to the N95 mask. This is actually used by healthcare professionals when we're caring for people who may have COVID, or we're swabbing them to determine if they might have COVID. You may have heard a little bit about N95s. These are primarily used by health professionals for a couple of reasons. Number one is they actually have to be custom fit to the size of someone's face in order to be effective. And number two, we really don't encourage the general public to use them because they will cut down a little bit on the air supply that you're using, and so they're not as comfortable for you. We have other mask options as well that you may have heard about or seen. One is actually a surgical mask, and you can buy these online or in pharmacies or local supermarkets. And these actually work quite well if you're an adult. They tend to come with ear loops or with ties, and they have an adjustable nose piece so that they can fit firmly around your nose. Again, these are great for adults, not so good for kids because they do tend to be a little bit big for kids, and if they don't fit your face properly, they're not going to help protect you and your friends and family. So the other option that you can look at is a fabric face mask, and these are great providing that you're getting them custom made for you because that way they can really fit the size of your face, and they usually come with ear loops, sometimes with ties as well. Now, when you're using one of these masks, it's important, or any mask really, it's important that you handle it by the loops or by the ties on the side, and that you always cover your mouth and your nose with them, just like this. And if you're wearing glasses, you can actually put your glasses right over the fabric so that you don't fog up, which is kind of